Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of BB Essentials. Today's episode will be a DIY of a Diamond Crush perfume tray. In today's DIY, I will be using embroidery hoops that I got from Jordan's Fabric Store, 2 wooden planks that I got from Dollar Tree, some E6000, some crushed diamonds that I got from Alibaba a while back, and some subway mirror tiles that I purchased from Amazon. I'll be also using epoxy resins that I purchased from Walmart, hot glue, and some black spray pen. Alright guys, let's get it started. As you guys continue to watch this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. At the end, I ended up with a smaller space. I went and split that mirror tile using a mirror cutter off camera, and I fill in that small space. Just like last time, I ended up with a smaller space. I went and cut it with a mirror cutter and then fill in the space. Before adding my crushed diamonds, I went and used Mod Podge and fine silver glitter to cover the bottom portion. I used the heat gun to prevent bubbles in my epoxy. When I was done and it was dried, I used peeling stick foam for the backing. I cut the excess foam and voila guys, our tray is ready to be used. I am absolutely in love with this tray and I believe you can use it for anything. You can use it as a serving tray. You can use it as a tray for your sofa table. You can also use it as a perfume tray. I am absolutely in love with this tray guys. Please let me know what you think. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on my next DIY. Ciao, ciao.